Hey there. It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and usually on Tuesday I give a tip, but I figured my tip was going to be how to style a black top. Okay, it's Elisa Ellis with Closet Confidence, and I am a wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella and Dot, and I've been coming on Monday through Friday to give you tips and helpful tricks and different ways to mix and match. Hey Mary, how's it going? So we're going camping. We're not camping people, but we're going camping for 10 days, 11 days. Okay, so I wanted to show you, this is a basic black top. It's like a cotton linen. I got it inexpensively. I believe you don't have to, hey Tony, you don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. This top was like, I want to say less than 30 bucks. It's a cotton linen blend. I can hand wash it, hang it, I'm good to go. But I can wear it with jeans. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to dress it up. You could pair it with a khaki blazer. I shouldn't say khaki, I should really say green. Okay, so I wear it like this a lot. This is a Caslon casual blazer from Nordstrom's. It's cotton, it's stretchy. Gibson has a brand like this. If you wanted to dress it up a little bit, you could add you could add a long necklace, add a little bling. You could add a black skirt or a khaki skirt. Here, I have a khaki skirt here. Okay, you could add a khaki skirt. You could use black skirt. Those are all options for you, okay? If you don't have hey Nancy, if you don't have a green jacket, then don't wear a green jacket. Maybe you have a cream one. Look, I have a cream one here. I'm not gonna put them all on, but I just want you to see, I could wear this cream one. I'm probably gonna take this camping with me. It's super soft, super nubby, very casual. I'll wear it with sneakers. You can also pair it to a camel cardigan. Okay, someone tried to call me. You could pair it with this bright yellow cardigan. You could pair it with this bright coral cardigan. Pick a color that you have in your closet. You don't have to go buy something new. I happen to have a white, I happen to have this white denim jacket that I've had for years. So I will pair it with this and a pair of jeans for the summer to dress it up a little bit, okay? The other thing you can do is if you have a pair of white jeans, if you have a pair of yellow jeans, I probably wouldn't wear you could wear dark black jeans if you wanted to. I probably wouldn't, because I would probably feel like I was death warmed over coming at you. You could wear it with, look, you can wear it with a cream skirt. Okay, you could wear it with this cute little leopard print skirt and a pair of sandals. Those are all different ways that you can wear it. I have this cute little furry vest. Not everybody has a cute little furry vest, and it's a little bit too warm for this, but maybe you have a puffer vest. Okay, these are all different options that you can style with black top. Okay, maybe you don't like any of those options. You can take a long necklace and dress it up. You can take a super fancy necklace. Look, I have this super fancy necklace, and if I had, let's say, a black or denim skirt or a really nice dark wash pair of jeans, then I could put this cute skirt, dress it up, add a piece of bling. If you're not a bling gal, add a cute bag. There's lots of different options for you. But this is a basic, inexpensive black top that I could add a cute little crossbody bag. That's an accessory. Here's another cute little crossbody bag. And maybe you want something green. Purses are an accessory, and they change the focal point of your outfit. So those are some quick ideas. Oh, two last ones. I have my scarf from yesterday. I could definitely add this and that changes the look. My new hat. My new hat is an accessory. Adding the hat changes the look. What you want to do is change the focal point. When you add jewelry, when you add a scarf, when you add a hat, people are looking at, I'm gonna leave it on. People are looking at the accessory, not at you. I had a client who loved to wear black, felt like she was wearing the same thing over and over again. So we bought her a couple of jewels. She got the Kari necklace, which is a 2-in-1. It's actually a pretty basic necklace. 2-in-1, short, long. This comes off, and a lariat. Okay, pick any lariat. It doesn't matter which lariat. This is the lariat that we did. It's heavy, it's heavier, it's for winter, fall, but she started wearing the accessories. She bought 2 necklaces, 2 pairs of earrings, and then suddenly nobody noticed that she was wearing the same stuff over and over because everybody was looking at the accessories, the earrings, the necklace. She felt like she had a whole new wardrobe by simply changing up her accessories. And people were looking at the accessories, not at her. So that's just another way to change up your look. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and sane while we're all in lockdown. It sounds like we're gonna be here for a lot longer. I will be here tomorrow. I'm gonna do some quick packing trips. I know we're not going anywhere, but I am going on a camping trip. So I'm gonna show you how to pack some things. And then I'm gonna take a break for a couple days because I'm gonna be camping and I don't know if I'm gonna have Wi-Fi or not. But stay safe and sane and healthy, and check out my new website, Closet-Confidence. I have a new newsletter that I'm putting out. So sign up for my newsletter and you'll start getting all the freebies, top 10 tips to clean out your wardrobe, free accessories lists, and then check out my YouTube page. I've been uploading all my videos, so if you haven't checked them out, you can check them out there. Have a good one. I'll see you tomorrow.